Today I want to review for you the pink stuff. It's by Stardrops, and if you've not tried it yet, you're missing out. Put this in your cart right now. It is phenomenal. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's tough on saucepans, cooker tops, sinks, UPVC, barbecues, ceramic tiles, glass, shower, garden furniture, paint work, boats, brass, rust. The list is endless on what you can use this stuff for. It has an interesting lid, so I'll go ahead and tell you, you just press right here and it will pop open, and this great pink cleaning paste will clean up. Truly, it will clean so many things. If you've not tried it out yet, you're missing out, because it actually works on so many amazing things and cleans things lickety split. So be sure to pick some up. One tube lasts us 6 months to a year. This is one of our newer tubes that we've just gotten, or tubs, I should say, one of our newer tubs. You will absolutely love it. Put it in your cart today.